Hey everyone, it's me Gizelle, and today I'm going to be making Gain slime. So let's get into the video. Basically, all you have to use is glue and Gain, and the best way that you can get scented slime is using any laundry detergent, and it's only a 2 ingredient, but I wanted to add some food coloring. So yeah, and it's the easiest way to make slime, and you should not overactivate this ever.
You got that?
Yeah.
Oh man, I was getting scared there. I thought maybe I forgot to take the top off again. So this is actually the first slime that we got to work. Maybe tell everybody that.
It was our pink slime. If you
Yeah.
want to go grab it, Daddy.
No, I don't need to go grab it. It was bubblegum slime. It's over a year old and it's still.
It's still trend.
Yeah.
Good.
Don't need that much because the Gain is.
Oh wait, just.
You put a little bit more. Go ahead, squeeze it. Oh, there you go. That's a lot. Maybe I'll go find it. You keep going.
It's under my desk.
All right.
Ooh, this could be green slime.
Oh, there we go.
Grinch. Oh.
Oh, did you put little foam beads in it?
Yes.
That's what it would be. Alright. So I have it so after we're done we can compare what it looks like after a year with foam beads in it.
I just added them for a fun decoration.
That's fine. Remember, you gotta use a lot of that.
Oh wait, yeah. You need to use a lot of Gain because it's not that powerful.
That's already activating. You should already pull it up in the spoon. Oh, now I remember this is the one you gotta work in with your hands too.
Yep. Daddy sleeps.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going out. Oh, sleep. Thanks.
I want more of that. I'll put it in the bowl. Oh.
Daddy! See, now we say you should not overactivate. Glue, glue, glue. Hurry.
That should be about the right mixture. Alright, don't use a full bottle of Gain.
Please don't. Only add a little bit at a time. That's brand new also, so.
You don't do laundry with it. We use those little pods.
Can you do this with any other detergent or no?
Yeah, so the big one that they started doing it with was,
Game?
no. So you saw Tide years ago.
Oh yeah, Tide.
And then
We used to have Tide.
Sonoflow.
We used.
No, we don't. We never had Tide. We don't use Tide.
Tell me.
Tide is disgusting. It gives us a rash. It is one of the worst ones, I think.
No, I think that's Nana.
Yeah, well, it'll try. It gives people rashes and stuff. It's too powerful. We don't use the cheap stuff because it gives the same thing.
We always use Game.
Always use that, and then we were a switch. It's never good. But there's also another one that they use now, Sonoflow.
What's that?
It's got to be something that they sell like out in California because I never see it here. I thought it was actually fabric softener,
Oh,
kind of like Downy.
okay.
Like we'll use like Downy and stuff sometimes. That's more of a Nana thing too, but you got it though. That is the slime.
That is the bubblegum slime.
You just got to get it all together now. Let me see how it feel. Yeah, that's bubblegum slime.
Here, come here. Come here.
No, here. It's because you got to get it all together. I'll help you out a little bit. I know your hands are getting tired.
Give me in my arms because I'm like this.
And this is more of a one that I did.
I mean, yeah. You're the one that's master. He's the one who started slime and no, I was the one who said I wanted to make slime. Good.
Just a little bit more. Yeah.
I'm the one who wants to start making slime, and then he looked it up and then started to make slime, and then I started to make it, and then Molly didn't ever really make slime. I mean, she likes feeling slime, but she doesn't like making it. It's like,
There you go.
yay! It's all ready.
Yeah, so that's going to be. If you hear water, I'm just rinsing my hands off.
Yep. Uh-oh, Daddy. That was not me. Gone tablecloth.
Oh, that's fine. It's $1, please.
Oh.
No, this stuff doesn't stick to anything. That's the other thing. It sticks to your hands, but anything like a countertop or anything, it doesn't stick to.
No, just don't worry.
You're
Oh,
good.
that was you. Okay, now let's compare it to that slime.
So this is a slime from a year ago.
A
made with
year.
hand. Oh, this one still smells good.
It does really good.
Probably does.
Oh, no, that does not smell good.
It smells like game glue now. Oh, you got little balls in it.
Yep, foam balls. One day I saw the foam balls. I'm like, oh, I'm playing with the slime.
And this is like super.
Super good slime.
Like this is like bubble gum.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
that's fluffy compared to this. Here.
Well, I let it deflate for. Yeah, I think by accident I left it
Left it out,
Out.
dried out a little bit.
out a little bit long. I guess I was going to like the bathroom or something, do something, and I left this out by accident. That's what I remember. So this is not like this. See, this is much goopier and smells better, and this one is just like, this was our first time ever in this house.
Yeah.
The biggest one ever.
What we doing?
Not the
About,
biggest.
were you thinking it was about a year ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, we weren't even up.
I was
then.
like 7 when we did this.
Yeah, you're about to turn 9.
So that was a year.
Yeah.
In like 10 days, 8 days, I'm about turning 9.
18th.
18th, November 18th on Sunday.
Yeah, you're gonna be turning 9. You got some birthday stuff going on today too. So.
Yep, I'm going bowling and I'm going birthday shopping before we're going bowling with my aunt and her daughter.
There we go. So which one do you think is? Do you think it holds up after a whole year or no?
I mean, yeah, but it's like
You gonna
don't let it like dry out.
Oh no.
No.
Take the other one out of the bowl and do a little bit of a slime test with it. You can show everybody. Well, we made a whole lot of it, but it pulls right out of the bowl.
It doesn't stick to this
It's-
compared to other slimes.
Yeah.
That one can't really do it because it's dry out.
You're gonna get a big bubble with this one.
Scooch out, scooch away. Oops, sorry.
There you go.
Scooch that out of the way.
Yeah, I don't know if you need to do all that.
Okay, ready? Oh.
You gotta grab more. And don't pull it so fast. That might be it. Oh, it wanted to do it though. Man, it does smell really good. I can smell it from over here.
It does. The more Gain or any other laundry detergent you use, if you have more glue, you have to use more activator. Only if you like your. Darn it. Ooh. Wait. I know something. Okay. So, here. Slime test. Bubble. Oh!
Got it.
Got it. I don't think we could do incest roll with this.
No, it's like, this is like, you want to know something? So anybody that has like, anybody that's older like me, there you go. Anybody that's older like me would remember, this is what slime used to be like. Like we used to buy these little buckets of slime for like $4.
Really?
We used to get them in our stockings. It was like a big thing.
Really?
Yeah, and it was more like, I mean, if I remember, it wasn't girls that had it. It was boys that had this slime. The slime
Always?
was...
And now boys don't have it, some girls have it.
Yeah, because we would have actually the slime makers, and it would make it into those little...
little containers?
No,
is it like
there was
that,
these little containers.
Is it like those fart things?
Yeah.
Oh, now it's like...
Yeah, make fart
it's
noises.
Like this, it's like a little bit more than this. And then there's like a container, and you like push it in, it's like making fart noise. Yeah, I know it. Is it like silly putty? No, it's not silly.
No, it was slime. It was slime. We had slime kits when we were kids. We had the slime that you threw at walls that would walk down the wall. It would.
You mean like a little sticky things where you
Yeah,
like?
but it was slime that would walk down the wall. It wasn't the sticky things, and it would leave this disgusting slime.
Is it like that? Is it like that black thing?
Yeah, kind of like that. But it was you just take a piece of slime and throw it at the wall. It would
Like
walk
just go
down
like
the wall.
this?
Yeah. And then we also had the slime into bugs. You had like an easy bake oven, and you put the slime in these little molds. They were metal molds, and you put them in the oven. And I used to burn myself all the time on this thing.
Really?
Oh, because it was metal. It used to get hot.
Yeah.
I used to pull it out while it was hot.
Really? Why? Why won't you wait until it's done?
Oh, dude.
Wait, would you
Your
put
age.
slime in there?
You put. They said put slime in the molds and you bake it, and it turns and it stays hard then.
What, slime?
Yeah,
Like a lollipop?
kind of, I guess.
Oh, we saw these disgusting lollipops. There's like a
Yeah, we're not doing it. Roaches and scorpions. And,
yeah, ew, and lollipops, like real lollipops. So yeah, that's slime. It does really smell good.
Cool.
3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, make sure you hit the bell so you never miss a video. Bye!